No. But another matter at hand that we need to talk about is the Mexican and did that stop it? No, because you called it anyway. The Mexicans are saying, okay, this is an ID. This is my ID. This tells you that I am a legal American citizen. Yes, it's my social security number as well. But I get a message of where long sleeve shirt. I knew it was how bad. Shoot them up. It's really going to she makes it rain. We only shower with bills, y'all. We watch for hundreds. This is like City and Young Money. Right. Young Lady Jane. Just look at that outfit. Just you want to move on, you. But I put my serious face on, you know, celebrity license, sunglasses in the night. Stop walking in the bathroom, man. Without like instead of doing sunglasses, baby, all for the fans, all for you. Love you. Now, you can't do this. If you here, you ain't not on the phone yet, but you're in the home. Being medical you are, you know what? Next time I see you, when your birthday, you get nothing from me with the happy birthday. Nothing at all. We're going to show you how much we love you. The happy birthday in the end. $1 for your dog. I'm not telling you. $1 I say $1 it's right. I'm thinking. She's talking to the grudge, y'all. Wow. Look at this, man. I was being like, I saw nothing, pick up my cash and dip. This is 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Because we do what we do better than anyone who do it for our fans, for you guys, our Facebookers, our tweets, our homies from other people. Green cars, you want our green cars. That's what we were talking about. The green cars is when I said I only want one thing. I was not talking about your virginity. No. That car, that is the car that I was talking about. I was referring to when she went to risk in their green car. I know the Arizona situation is getting out of hand, but don't let them get you for a green car. It's late at night. It's time to go to bed. I do. Okay, now we don't want to do on the girl, so be hot. Please don't act like, please don't have an attitude, because if you have an attitude and you watch the video, you're going to comment on it, and I'm going to have to comment back with an attitude, and I am too. She going to get in it too, because I can get it in and get WB up in this. We got 15 seconds to do it. All right. Now we want to say good night, and we will have a y'all in the morning. Yeah.